they are two beds and a booster. So a booster bed is just for heavy flow. So the booster bed normally is for heavy flow. If somebody is going through heavy flow, then you can just attach it and wear it as a normal bed. So normally we do have beds. So one you can even interchange while the other one is drying out. And normally also what we put in the goodie bag, we give them a toothbrush, toothpaste, a face cloth, soap to wash their beds with, and we normally also have body soap, but it's not in here, and deodorant. So this, and what we normally do is,
we were told that this project will be done.
okay, so normally what we do is we actually give it to them in a bucket, so they are able to wash and store their things in a bucket. So everything that they are here is the body soap. So everything that I mentioned, we normally put it in a bucket and hand it over to different disadvantaged girls. Then all girls who they can't afford beds. So this is one of the projects that I'm very, very passionate about. And then so we, as I mentioned earlier, we are an organization for kids by kids. So this year around, like if you notice, most of the people that are running the projects, it's be my peers. So basically, we have mentors. It's I, it's Dawn over there, the guy with the yellow shirt. It's Tino and Oscar. He's looking at me. Tom, please stand. And it's Oscar, Dawn. So normally we work with him and also Oscar and Tino. So normally we run the projects, but things changed this year because last year it was elders who were running the organization. And we thought like, why is it that the elders are running an organization for children while not children, why can't they run it on their own basically? Because we know what children want and we know what is best for children because we are children after all. Okay, they are the adults. I'm not done yet. It's a lot, it's a lot. And so basically, like I said, so one of our main things also this year because of adults no longer being there, so we needed to create a foundation, so we needed new members. So we went to different schools like Agustinio, Ella Duplessis, Comasura, all of Palma, okay, I have a lot to mention. And we've acquired over 400 different members just this year alone. Yes, so with this 400 different members, and we even partner up with NIT sometimes when they are hosting a workshop and they need members, we provide members for them. So we've also had the civics education, so this one we work very closely with NIT. Mr. Fatu was here yesterday to give a presentation, we work very closely with him. He's also one of my personal mentors. So we host civics education where we teach kids their rights, leadership skills, and everything. And we also have some athletics projects, which is 3-on-3 basketball. So this was just put in one of our projects, so we feel like the kids are doing a lot of athletics while they're really passionate about it. You'll find some kids really passionate about soccer. You'll find some kids very passionate about soccer and some are really passionate about basketball. So that's why we choose to include them today. We've also had an LRT leadership training with the visually impaired. So basically, we sponsored a leadership training program for the kids of the visually impaired LRTs. So we work closely with visually impaired, whereby we give our support to the school because we feel like their school is one of the most affected schools. And also, we've had a period poverty, like I mentioned earlier, when it came to the parents' donation. We've had a period poverty meeting and discussion with different organizations, like Simply You and what was the other one? Nothing. The unchangeables, change the unchangeable, and the Namibian girl. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, I forgot. But different organizations that basically were fighting for the same for beds to be free. Yeah, also for big decks. So that was one of the things. We even had some discussions with the PR of MIT Fellas, but there is still in processing. Just bear with me, I'm almost done. It's also we had a collaboration with Gibson. So this is a German group on climate change and the 17 SDGs. So those are the Sustainable Development Goals. So we had a whole, was it 11 months project with them. So that way we exchanged different ideas and how we can reduce climate change in Namibia. We also had gender-based violence and rape awareness, and this was during lockdown. So during lockdown, we didn't want to just stay still, so we came up with a way where we would have, because I remember the restrictions were 10 people in a room. So we had about, what is it, 30 people, 40 people, 30, 40? Plus 30 people in different locations, and we hosted the Zoom, so we were following each other. We just gave basically the outlooks or what you should look out for when going through gender-based violence and when to report and when to seek help. And it was really beneficial for some of the learners because the interaction just said it. We also had a bed assembly, so like I mentioned earlier here, with the bed location, it's really important for all of our members to know how to assemble a bed in order for it to be sold. On my part, I am done, so Doc will come and explain more. I'm so sorry guys, please bear with us. We've had so many projects this year and we are just giving you the most important ones. Some of it we have to scrap it out. Okay, thank you.
Morning guys, I'm going to be very fast because for some weird reasons, Lloyd doesn't like me. Oh, I know, relax. Okay, so I'm going to make it very fast. Okay, today one more thing. Everyone that came up here, they had something to complain about the government. I told you something about it. So you see these wonderful pets, they're illegal in America. Ganja kind of illegal. You get me? Yeah, so we have been fighting so hard to try to legalize them. So the Minister of Health, they said not yet legal. That's why we are like cancel so much on them. We are focusing on them, but we cannot like make a law when we know we cannot take them out freely. Because the government can come and say like, oh, we didn't legalize this, we are going to destroy them. Okay, so that's our problem we are facing with the renewable certificates.
So these pens are not certified, but it is certified by South Africa. Like I mentioned earlier, we import the material from South Africa. So it is SAB approved. It's approved in South Africa, but when it comes to Namibian Institute of what? The NSI or is it? Yes. Yes, Namibian Science Institute. They say they don't know anything about the beds and they don't know how it can be certified. So we even go to the Ministry of Health. Ministry of Health sending us back to NSI. So we're suffering from that problem whereby in Namibia they don't know how to certify the beds because they claim they don't know a way forward. And we need to pay $50,000 in order for us to certify it. So we are keen on doing more projects that will help the community instead of giving it to the government and then getting money. So that's why we refuse to pay for that. But why not help? Why not help? Why not help these who are really in need and rather giving money to institutes that already have enough money and who knows where this money is even going to be used. So that is one of the biggest issues we are suffering from.
Thank you so much, Rita. Oh, so guys, by now, if you have not in the movement, we are not only busy, we are also creative. We try to turn every useless thing that is at our disposal into something useful. As you see, I'm holding a garbage bag with newspaper inside it. It's a sleeping bag. Do you have any volunteers that they don't want to try that? Yeah, it is a sleeping bag. Like we make this. So during winter time, we go inside and give them to the street kids. They actually help better than nothing. So can you please have a volunteer fast before we do seeing volunteering that puppy face? It's also comfortable because we put in like three different layers of newspapers. Or 6 different layers of newspapers. Some people are also generous. Can you tell people what our experience is? Very warm minority. Now people break it up. Yeah, but be famous, Samuel.